How to resize your Canva designs for free. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can resize your Canva designs for free. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So let's say that this is a template that we are working with. Now, if you want to change or resize this template, let's say you want to make it on a square page, what you'll need to do is you cannot actually just change it right here. You'll need to start and create a new template. So tap on the plus create option right here on your Canva, and then here you will see custom size. Just tap on custom size, and let's say that I want to change it, or I'll just make it a square. I'll just 180 here and do the same here and tap on create designs. Now this will give me a square canvas. Now what I can do here is here you can see that I have these designs and elements of this page. So all I have to do is simply select all of these like this, tap on group. After I group this, I can copy it. So you can just simply copy paste, that is Control C to copy, head over to this page and Control V. That should add the designs here. Now I can tap on ungroup and you can see there are a lot of different options. Now what I can do now, since this does not look that great, what I can do instead here is simply copy the background for this. So to copy the background, you can see this background color. I can just take this, gradient colors. I can copy this color and simply paste it there. So let's take this. You can press on this, you can check the solid color, then copy this color code and head back here, go here, tap on background color and use this color. Now doing that, you can now simply place these elements so that it fits your new design. So let's bring this down a bit here. Now do the same for this. Now you can change the colors for these here. So let me just change this color to a bit lighter gradient. So let's say that I want a bit lighter one. So this is fine, completely fine. Now I can just start placing this so that it looks good on my design. So yeah, now you can place it, and doing this should resize all of your designs. So there you can see now this is basically done. So as you can see now, this and this, there is a slight difference in color, but yeah, this is basically how you can resize your Canva designs for free. And that is all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye. Take care.